Welcome back to this CRUD operation tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this index file where we will display the inserted data. Okay, so let's start from here. Doc type HTML, and then head start here, and then head close. Title, here will be title, and then title close. So it will be user list in the index file, and then same like that where we had created this index file. So here, so it is better if we just simply copy this whole things here from here. Okay, so now index.php, copy, and then CRUD operation. Rest of the things are same. So here will be user list. Okay, user list. All right, and then container starts from here. So again, container will be closed here, and then body will be closed here. Then here HTML close. Oh, body starting from here, there. Then why not close here? Okay, and then HTML close. All right, so now below will be list here. So inside this, so let's create a table, and then table close here, table close. All right, then tr, and then tr starting. So once again here will be class table, then table striped. Okay, tr, and then inside tr there will be fields like td and then td. So inside td here will be number, and then number, and then first name, last name, email, edit, and delete. Okay, so here will be first name, then here last name. Okay, and then email. Password will be not here because we want to show password. Okay, so here will be edit. So edit, and then delete here, right? And then similarly here will be below also. Now let's see how does it look like. So it is looking like this, right? Now here will be edit, ahref, then a closure, class btn success. Okay, btn success, and then here delete. So here will be between danger, red one, danger. Okay, now let's try how does it look like. So you can see now the look and feel is fine. So we can do one more thing here in this tr class, heading bg. Okay, so let's create one more css file here, custom css here, say style.css. We will create this file here. So now let's save it inside assets, css style.css, and then the class name is class name, what's class name? Heading bg. All right, so put it here, dot heading bg, and then background black, color white. Okay, so let's see here now. How does it look like? Oh, background is not coming black here, something is wrong. It will not affect there, right? So rather than this tr, let's write this class here in td. Okay, so here, and then here, and then here, and then here. So something is wrong here. Yeah. Alright, so this is heading, and this data will come dynamically. Okay, so for that we need to create one function into our function.php file in this one. So now let's create one function for displaying data. Okay, so for displaying, we created this function, public function get all. This is user defined function, so you can give any name. So I have provided here meaningful this function name. So here is get all, and then in this case the parameter is just table, because we need to pass the table, and based on the table it will display all the data. Okay, and here as usual this is MySQL query, and then $con and $shell, and then here while $rs MySQL fetch array and query, and then we have taken this empty array, and here we are storing the data in this array, and ultimately this array is returned here. Okay, so in this array it contains all the data as an array format. So now let's get back to here, index.php file. It's not, yeah, this one is index, right? All right, so now let's create object just like insert file. So here up to here we need to copy here, just copy from there, and then $obj here in this here, let's start PHP, and then right here $obj, then function name is get all. Okay, and then we need to pass the table name. So here the table name is registration, right? Nothing else. Now let's store this into a, so vals, say vals, we are storing here. So if you want to see here, then print out and see what data is coming from there, from get all function. So just paste here, and now let's check, just refreshing it, you can see all the data is coming here. Okay, this one. So now we will display here only this, so $vals, and then in place of first name we will write here PHP equal, and then this, and then first f underscore name. Okay, now let's see if first name is coming. It must come. Yeah, oh, it's first name. Trying to get property first name. So there is okay. F $vals f name. So it need to be something like this. F name. Let me check again. If name, yes. So very simple. Oh, you need to write here this for each code. Okay, so for each $rs adds rows, so this time it will be adds rows, so this rows. Okay, so not rows, this vals here, $vals is rows, so here will be rows rather, right? So rows and then here f underscore name. Syntax is respected. End of file. So somewhere there is oh, this needs to be closed here. PHP and then curly braces here, close. So this curly braces needs to be closed here. Okay, now so as you can see the first name and last name, so somewhere there is a mistake. Where I have written that the PHP code is displaying here. PHP, oh, this one. So first name is displaying. Now let's show last name and then email and then so L name, email, and here okay email email email. Okay, so now here first name last name. So if you need to display here this ID, then we can show here ID also. So rather than number you can show ID. Okay, this is user ID if you want to show. So rather just name it as user ID. User ID. Okay, that's not required to show that, but at least you can see. So now this view is complete now. So in the next video I will show you how to do this edit and delete work. Okay, so stay connected. See you in the next video. Bye bye.